Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
Welcome back.
Welcome to another weekend, and welcome to our, I guess, our new setup. It's going to, well, it was initially for the RV. The RV's on that side. The boat's over here. And we're actually using this to just work under right now. So we have a little bit more room. The garage is kind of a tight space for the 7.3. But yes, today we are working on the 7.3. So we've noticed some cranking, startup issues. We did replace the battery and it's gotten better, but I think we're actually just gonna go ahead and swap it out with a new starter.
Yeah, I want to try something different. This one has more amperage,
okay,
so more cranking power. Let's see the difference. So
yeah, only because like we have I think we have one more trip, a day trip with the 7.3.
Yes. And
I mean, if you guys have seen our literally Ford video, found off the roadside video, we have been stuck on the freeway, so I'll put the link up there for you guys to watch later if you want. So we just want to do any preventable maintenances. So right now we're going to today, this weekend's video, we'll get the starter swapped out, and we also do need to do an oil change.
Yes, we're gonna do for an oil change, and then we're gonna also do another
fuel, what is it?
Fuel filter. We're gonna change out the fuel filter. Okay, so
we have a few more maintenance videos coming up, but today we'll start with the starter. And yeah, that is Lexi. Say hi to Lexi, guys.
Oh, say hi.
Yeah, she's in some training right now, but if you guys have been following our social media, Lexi is our new member. We honestly, we're not looking for a new dog, but
here she is.
A buddy of ours from high school reached out to me and was like, hey, were you interested in her? We were not looking to purchase or anything, but she needed to be rehomed, and here she is, another dog. So lots of energy. Lots of energy, still learning.
Good girl.
We got her basic commands kind of down. But yeah, say hi to Lexi, everybody. Other than that, let's get started. We're going to actually start up the truck first. I guess so you guys can get a difference of what we've been kind of here. I mean, it was worse before the battery change. We got a new battery, but...
Well, plus, I believe it's the original starter at this truck.
Oh,
we're pushing 300 and about 17,000 miles on it already.
17, what was it?
317,000. So I believe this might be the factory starter.
Okay, well, we can tell when there's probably like markings, right?
Yeah, once we take it apart, we'll take a look at it.
So Kevin's gonna start it up so we can get like a difference. We can hear a difference. So let's get in here. All right. Let's get the radio off.
Okay, ready?
A little bit of a delay.
Well, that's normal.
But before there was a huge delay, like it was.
Yeah, I think the batteries were just giving out.
Yeah.
So I had that warranted, and so brand new fresh batteries right now.
Yeah.
It starts a little bit better, but let's try this new starter out and then see how it goes from there.
All right. So.
And then we are gonna just carry the stock one, just in case.
Just in case. Okay.
Just in case.
Yeah, I guess it's always good to have spare parts when you're hanging out with us. So we have Kevin's setup down here. The starter is underneath, right underneath, like this passenger side over here, right? In this area.
So I'm gonna disconnect the batteries.
Okay, yeah. Okay, batteries disconnected. And there's one more on this side, 2 batteries, diesel.
Okay.
So at one time, or was it your brother, what truck was he borrowing that broke down at Lake Paris? And we literally took our battery, threw it in there, and he started it up.
His buddy's 5.9 Cummins.
Oh yeah, we used our Ford battery to go start up a Cummins because it was dead.
So basically I disconnected this, I just flipped it, and then like basically touched it against each other and just started right up.
So, random story, but like I said,
well, yeah, I guess it has to do with the same content, battery. starter.
We were just disconnected. All right. Got a little sidetracked there. So we're gonna go. Batteries disconnected. Let's go underneath and see what we've got going on down here. Where are you squeezing into? Oh, I know. All right. Had to pause a little bit to put Lexi away. She was getting a little bit crazy. Let me slide under here. Let's see what's going on. All right. Oh, where are you? Man, that looks like a really old starter. It's like all that soot over the years and... Right, hold on, let me get in there.
Oh, there it goes. Got it. All right, ready? Oh. Oh.
That's all the soot falling off.
No, I think it's just the dirt.
All the dirt
and the grime over the year and the oil.
All the...
Just build up. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this top one off first, and then we're gonna loosen the bottom, so then that way when if we do it the other way around, it might fall on my face. Okay.
So bolts off. There's one.
That's
How many
one.
is it? Just one?
And then there's two more right here.
But you're saying you're gonna take the top off first, obviously, so it doesn't fall on your face.
Yeah, because if I leave that one at the end, I take it off, and then that's the only thing that's holding it is gonna fall on my face.
Oh
So
my
I'm gonna
gosh,
take this
like
one.
that transmission that fell on that guy's face. Oh my
Don't
gosh,
remind
that's
me.
awful. I don't know if you guys seen that reel going. Okay, I don't know why I'm laughing. It's actually, yeah,
Oh,
it's not,
shit.
yeah.
Let's take the extension off. Should have brought home my my angle impact. Okay, let's go ahead and loosen this one too. Okay.
So it was one bolt in the front and then two in the rear?
Yeah, one at the very top, and then these two. So it's three total.
So 3 total.
But the new starter, I believe, is only held by 2.
Okay.
All right, last one.
Alright, she's ready to come down. Here it is.
Okay.
Now here it is. Oh yeah, it's
Dirty.
dirty. And here's a new one, by the way, if I haven't panned over to this yet.
I think we should take it out and do a side-by-side comparison. Look how much bigger the motor is.
Where's your Milwaukee blower?
Over there somewhere. Alright,
So now you just gotta disconnect those terminals.
yeah. So can you grab me a number 8
Number 8.
ratchet or wrench?
This?
Oh yeah. Okay. And then oh, can you give me a 15, 16, please? Thanks. 15. Oh wow, what a difference.
Alright, so here's the before that got us just that black cake, and here's the after. It's a little bit beefier because of the stronger power put into this one, right? Like
Yeah.
power source is right up here at the top.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so
let's go ahead and put it in.
and you said the bolts, there's only 2 bolts versus we took off 3 earlier.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so we get back in.
I believe that's how it is. Alright, so I think it'll probably be easier if we hook up the power wire first.
And that makes sense. That was the last thing you took off, right?
Whew, man, my hands are getting tired. Okay. What's going on? Whew. It's a lot harder than I expected. Oh. Oh, break time.
Alright, where are we at? Now that we've got it secured and fitted, gotta put the 2 bolts on, not 3. 3 is what we took off.
Okay. Alright. Now let's just need to tighten this one up here. Okay. Okay, I think we're good. Oh, what a miss.
Alright. How's it looking? You wanna...
Looks pretty good.
Can you reach over there? Oh, my hands are so dirty. Yeah, look at this.
Yeah,
This
it clears soon.
Look at this. One of the reasons why we kind of hate doing this kind of work. But it's the hardest one. Oil change is a lot easier.
Cool. So,
Okay, now it's time to start.
yep.
Alright. Going up. Ugh. Oh, Lexi's yelling. Alright, Kevin's gonna connect the battery and I'm gonna check on the dog. All white, all connected.
Let's cross our fingers. Hope it works. Hopefully I did everything right.
Why did that sound so like...
Wow,
like
what a difference.
It sounded like the speakers were gonna blow or something.
Oh, wow. Dude, that like started right up.
But why did it make that? Is that just the connection? Because it was connecting?
I think so.
Okay.
Here, let's try it again.
I hear it right there.
Wow, that thing's quick.
It sounds scary. I don't know.
I think it's all that torque that's turning the engine over to a lot faster.
Oh, okay. But yeah.
Wow, dude, I think that was worth it, guys. I mean, it's not OEM factory spec, but it's a lot more torque. We're gonna just carry our factory one with us, just in case, you know.
Well, you're gonna clean it up, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna take it to work and degrease it and everything. So.
All right. Well, that was it. It was a quick, install.
I was just curious, you know. I've always wanted to try it.
Well, originally because our battery was taking a dump, it was like really, really delayed. We probably should have filmed that, but we just weren't sure what it was. But I mean,
let us know what you guys think.
Yeah, was it worth it for us to switch out the starter? I mean, it sounds good.
Yeah, I think it's worth it. What do you guys think? Let us know.
Other than that, thanks for joining us every weekend, guys. We'll see you on the next one.
See you guys. Bye.